Did you get any doubt in the paper? No. Discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Fine, comment ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ, we will move forward, right? Super. And you got an idea? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ collisions ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Sorry, collisions ಅಲ್ಲ, connected bodies ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Connected bodies ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, what we have to do in the next test ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Complete combination of bodies ಇರುತ್ತೆ, connected bodies ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈ week test ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Remember very seriously. Complete connected bodies, not even a single question out of the connecting bodies. Seriously speaking, combination ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Fully inclined plane, connecting body horizontally, connecting body vertically. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಡಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ if you know the concepts behind that. Right? Keeping in this in mind, we will start our class. Today's class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ inclined plane ಹೋಗೋಣ. we'll move to inclined plane. Recall ಮಾಡಿ last week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, we discussed something in the last week, that is connected bodies start ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. This week test will start from there. Is it clear? This week test will start from connecting bodies ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I tell you very seriously, you can solve the problem within a minute. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. If you not understand the concept, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ರಟ್ಟ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಲ. We cannot remember all the formulas to write in the examinations, right? Concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is the concept behind this? Simple concept behind this. Force which is responsible for movement and force which is opposing. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can solve any questions related to connecting bodies. Next rope ಬರುತ್ತೆ, thick rope. ನೆಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ thick rope ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. thick rope ಅಂದಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ we will use. thick rope ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ we will use. Are you getting my point? So ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. What is the behind this formula? Behind this ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗಿರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಚಲಾನೆ ವಾಲಾ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ರುಕ್ನೆ ವಾಲಾ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಹೋಗೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನಿಲ್ಸೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಈ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can start. Right? Inclined plane ಹೋಗೋಣ. Inclined plane. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Inclined plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. Inclined plane means, so this is the plane. This is the plane which is inclined with an angle theta. This is a plane which is inclined with an angle theta, where here theta is called. What you call for this theta? This is called angle of inclination. Theta value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Theta value ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Angle of inclination ತಗೋತೀರಾ. Point number 1. Theta is nothing but an angle of inclination. Let me place a box of mass m. Let me place a box of mass capital M ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. Let me place a box of capital M. M is the mass of the block. Record. Very important. It's very important. Mass of the block. Mass of the body. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೀರಿ. Mass of the block or mass of the body. Observe carefully. Forces ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Mass ಇದೆ vertically downwards. Mass ಇದೆ vertically downwards. Force act ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. What do you call for that force? Weight. So we call it as weight, and it is equals to m into g. Bodies are in contact. Mass of the body and the block ಅಂದ್ರೆ inclined, they are contact. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ. What do you call for that? Normal force. Super. Any other forces here? mg ಬಂದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ vertically downwards. Remember very seriously, mg is always acting vertically downwards. Normal is always acting perpendicular to the surface of contact. Observe carefully. I put two lines here. One here line ಹಾಕೊಂತೀನಿ. One is parallel to the inclination. And other one is perpendicular to the inclination. I put two lines. One is parallel to the inclination. ಇಲ್ಲೆರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. One is what are all the things happens to the parallel to the inclination ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, and I'll make it two columns. I'll write perpendicular to the inclination here. Perpendicular to the inclination. Observe carefully. If this is theta, if this is 90, correct, as this degree is 90 degree, then this will be equals to 90 minus theta. Super. ಇದು theta ಇದು 90 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು 90 minus theta ನಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ angle. What is this angle? What is this angle? 90 ನಾ? This two angles is 90. If this complete is 90, then this angle will be equals to theta ನಾ? ಇದು theta. Correct? Theta ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ? Where we will get theta? If this is theta, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta, therefore the complete thing is 90, is artha 90 minus theta minus 90, so you will get theta as an answer for this, right? Theta illidre component resolve ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ. Let me resolve this component into two components. Theta illidre ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? mg cos theta. Resolve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ component theta is here, the component which is obtained here is called mg cos theta, and the component which is parallel to the inclined plane is called as an mg sin theta na. mg sin theta. Any doubt with this? Bega?
No, sir.
No. This is theta. This is theta. This component is equal to mg cos theta, and this component is equals to mg sin theta. Observe carefully. Parallel node. Parallel node. Which is the force responsible for the momentum of this block? Which is the force responsible for the momentum of this block? Which is the force responsible for the momentum of this block? Mg sin theta. Mg sin theta is the force which is responsible for the momentum of the block. Which is opposing force? Zero na? Opposing force is equals to zero. Opposing force is equals to zero. Is equals to m into a. Is equals to m into a. Therefore, mg sin theta is equals to ma. mg sin theta is equals to ma. Ma cancel. Therefore, a is equal to g sin theta. Sir, throughout the journey, inclined plane, keep it in mind. The force, the acceleration of a body is along g sin theta. Always. Acceleration is always equals to g sin theta. Acceleration is always equals to g sin theta. The force which is responsible for momentum of a body is called mg sin theta always.
Sir, in every case, sir.
In every case, sir. In every case, keep it as a standard one. In every case, the force which is responsible for momentum of a body is parallel force. Remind this throughout the journey of this. mg sin theta is the force which is responsible for momentum of a body. In ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು resolve ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Force which is responsible for momentum of a body ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. You should tell that mg sin theta is a force. Done? Force which is responsible for momentum of a body is mg sin theta. Done? Any doubt with this? Acceleration of inclined body is equal to g sin theta. Acceleration of inclined body is equal to g sin theta, where g is called as an acceleration due to gravity, where theta is called as an angle of inclination. Super. Perpendicular. Let me go move for perpendicular now. In perpendicular direction, a is equal to 0 now. If you observe, a is equal to 0. A is equals to 0. Perpendicular direction, a is equal to 0. The body is not moving in this direction. The body is moving in this direction. A is equal to 0 in perpendicular. Right? So therefore, forces are balanced. N should be equals to the forces should be balanced. Perpendicular forces is there.
mg cos theta.
Super. mg cos theta.
mg cos theta.
mg cos theta. If they ask you to find out the normal, we use this formula. If they ask you to find out normal, we use this formula. Any doubt with this in mind?
Sir, in perpendicular, no acceleration, sir.
100% no acceleration, sir. 100% no acceleration. If the body is moving in this direction? No.
No, sir.
No. If the body is not moving in this direction, there is no acceleration along perpendicular. Remember, parallel to the inclined plane, perpendicular to the inclined plane. Parallel to the inclined plane, mg sin theta is equal to ma. Perpendicular to the inclined plane, n is equals to mg cos theta.
Okay, sir.
Make a note of this. This is very important.
Thank you,
for your problems. This is very important concept for your NEET also. Very important concept for your NEET. Next fully ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎರಡು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Return.
One minute, sir.
Super. Combination of pulley and combination of inclined plane, they will ask in the examination. Combination of pulley and inclined plane. This is inclined plane, purely. Who is responsible for momentum of a body in inclined plane? mg sin theta. Then put comedy. mg sin theta. acceleration of body is equal to g sin theta. Perpendicular component balances each other. Perpendicular component balances each other. Because acceleration along y direction is perpendicular direction is 0. The body is always moves parallel to the inclined surface. The body is always moves parallel to the inclined surface. Body always moves parallel to the inclined surface. The force which is moves is called mg sin theta. Right. Next we will move to pulley. Pulley. So let me take an ideal pulley. Ideal pulley. Pulley. This pulley is ideal. What do you mean by ideal pulley?
Massless.
Massless.
Frictionless.
Super. Massless and frictionless. Right.
Sir, you are going to use only the fixed pulley, sir.
Fahad, what?
Sir, you are going to use only the fixed pulley or movable pulley, sir?
It is a fixed pulley. We have the concepts only related to a fixed pulley right now. First, fixed pulley होगा ना, आगे movable होगा ना, चलते हैं concepts इधर. One by one करेंगे. Let me learn the pulley first, right?
Okay, sir.
Is the board clear? एक को blur करता है. White जास्ती against me. Yes, it's now clear. Fine. So I have an ideal pulley. Ideal pulley. It is connected here, and I'll put a string, and I'll put a mass here. Mass. Let me call it as M1. Let me call it as M1. I'll be having one more mass string, and I'll connect M2 mass. M2 mass. M2 mass. The tension in the string is equal to T in this direction. The tension in the string is equal to T in this direction because tension is always away from the block. Away from the block. Right? The second thing, if I have a mass here, there will be a downward force that is called M2 into G na. Either can the mass downwards, it is equals to M1 into G. M1 into G. What they will ask in this case? What are all the questions that you may expect from this? In this first one, they will ask you to find out an acceleration. First thing, they will ask you to find out an acceleration. Second thing, they will ask you to find out the tension. Tension. And now ಇನ್ನೊಂದು additional ಆಗಿ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ net force on a body, net force on a block, net force. ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದು, ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು net force ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, right? So let me calculate an acceleration first. See, for time being, let me assume m2 is greater than m1. For time being, let me assume m2 is greater than m1. M2 is greater than M1 andaga, obviously the body will move in this direction with an acceleration A, and this body will move in this direction with an acceleration A. Correct? M2 is greater than M1 andaga, body will start to move like this. It will start to move with an acceleration A, and it will start to move with acceleration upwards. Correct? So let me calculate the acceleration by considering the boundary system. By considering the boundary system. Which is the force responsible for momentum of a body now? Which is the force which is responsible for the momentum of this body?
M2G.
M2G. M2G minus, which is the force opposing to the momentum of a body?
M1G.
M1G. M1G is opposing. M1G is opposing. Is equals to, what is the mass of the block? Sui tapak tak. Sui tapak tak. Idu cancel agate, tension cancel agate. Hing hang agirade ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? I'll hold like this and I'll join. Tensions, internal force get cancelled. Internal force cancel आएगा. What is the mass of the block? M1 plus M2 na?
Yes, sir.
M1 plus M2 into A. Into A. So from this G is common. From this G is common. A find out padaveka. A is equals to M2 minus M1 into G divided by M1 plus M2. Formula to find out an acceleration. Formula to find out an acceleration, but we will not use this. Now in the news model, we have a technique. Right, Kanda? Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ಸರ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳೋದು.
ಇದು
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. Mass M1 ಇದೆ, M2 ಇದೆ. This is moving like this. This is moving like this. It is having a force M1G. It is having a force M2G. Which is the force responsible for momentum of a body in this case? Observe. M2G na?
Yes, sir.
Opposite force M1G. It is opposite to this. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ M2G ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ M1G ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. Observe. Opposing force ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. चलाने वाला force is M2G and रुकने वाला force is M1G. Very simple. This is responsible for momentum of a body. This is opposing this. Right, kada? So remember, M2G minus M1G is equals to mass of the block into A. Mass of the block into A. Tension find out padake adar one report. Tension find out padake adar one report. Keep this. Which is force responsible for momentum of this body? M2G. Opposing force for this is T minus P is equals to M2 into U. From this you can find out the tension. Tension find out ಮಾಡೋದಾ? And we have a standard formula for this. Derivation ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ time waste ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ನಾವು. Formula direct ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ. M1 M2 into G divided by M1 plus M2. M1 M2 into G divided by M1 plus M2. I think 2 M1 M2 ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Yes, right. 2 M1 M2. So this is the formula to find out the tension. Rare cases we use this. Remember this. Rare cases we use this. In rare cases we use this formula. T is equals to 2 times of M1 M2 G divided by M1 plus M2. Done kada?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Make a note on this. This is also very, very important for your examination. This is very important for your examinations. Example start ಮಾಡಿ.
Sir, net force.
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? Net force, right? Net force. To find out the net force on this, M into acceleration. Net force on this, M into acceleration. If you want to find out the net force on this, M into acceleration. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Multiply that with M, you'll get a net force on this body. A find out ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Multiply that A with M, you'll get the net force on this body. Acceleration?
Sir, the acceleration will be same for M2 and M1 body, sir.
Same acceleration is same, but they are in opposite directions.
Sir, how can it be same when they are like one thread is longer and one thread is shorter in length?
Frictionless pulley. Correct? This is frictionless pulley. If box one ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it will become single box now. If the box one is moving with same acceleration, of course this has to move with the same acceleration, right? One is
Yes.
moving in this direction with an acceleration, and the other one should move with the same acceleration upwards, right? Frictionless
Yes.
pulley.
Sir, in the formula T equals to 2 M1 M2 G by M1 plus M2. So how to take the boundary system?
Here, with the help of this, put the value of A is equal to this here. A value substitute ಮಾಡಿ, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get an answer like this. ಅಷ್ಟೇ simple.
Okay, sir. So
So
when
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದೆ. We don't want to waste time ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Put the value of A. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ A ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Substitute the value of A. Simplification for T. T ಗೆ simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
okay, sir, ಎರಡು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ we have to use that.
ಎರಡು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. They will give question start ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get to know what they will ask in their question, right?
Okay, sir.
Shall we start solving a question based on this? Let me take a standard question. One standard question ತಗೊಂಡು start ಮಾಡಿ. Pulley ಇಂದನೇ start ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me start with pulley. Inclined ನೋಡೋಣ. Next inclined ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಒಂದು pulley example ತಗೋಣ. Let me take an example for pulley. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ pulley ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So I'll start with pulley only. Let me have a question like this. I have a pulley. My pulley. So this is 5 kg. This is 5 kg. And this is 10 kg. This is 10 kg. Simple thing. They'll ask you to find A and tension. Find acceleration and tension. Find acceleration and tension. Find acceleration and tension. Observe carefully. Which is greater here? 5 or 10? 10 is greater. First to weight burden. The weight acting on this is equal to 100 Newton. Weight acting on this is equal to 100 Newton. And weight acting on this is equals to 50 Newton. 50 Newton. The weight 100 Newton is greater than 50 Newton. Hence the body will start to move in this direction with an acceleration A. Hence this body will move in this direction with an acceleration A. And tension in this is equals to T. And tension in this is equals to T. And an acceleration with a boundary system. And an acceleration with boundary system. And an acceleration with boundary system.
10 by 3.
So the force which is responsible for momentum of a body is 100 and opposing force is 50 is equals to mass is 15 into A. So here we get 50 is equals to 15A. So therefore A is equals to 50 by 15. So we get 5 3 and 10. So answer A is equal to 10 by 3. A is equal to 10 by 3 meter per second square. Superb. A is equals to 10 by 3 meter per second square. Next, tension of find out we have two things. We can find by two methods. One is by taking a boundary system of this, or else we have a formula. T is equal to 2 times of M1 M2 G divided by M1 plus M2. We will go with this. Force which is responsible for is 100 minus T is equals to 10 into A is 10 by 3. Right? 100 minus 20 by 3 is equals to T. Therefore, T is equals to 300 minus 20 divided by 3. So that is equals to 280 by 3 Newton. 280 by 3 Newton. 200 by 3.
Newton is 100.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ 20 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 10 times 100 by 3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು 300 minus 100 divided by 3 is equals to T. Therefore T is equals to 200 by 3. 200 by 3 Newton. I can also find the tension by using a formula. Now check mana, cross check mana. 2 times of M1 M2 into G divided by M1 plus M2. So 2 times of M1 M2 is 2 into M1 is 5, M2 is 10 into 10 divided by 15. So 100, 500, 1000, 1000 by 15. 3s are 200s are. So I got back the same 200 by 3 Newton. 200 by 3 Newton. Is it here? This is easy to find. Super. Super. Shall we move to next question? Next question go on. Not try ಮಾಡಿ combination go on direct. We'll take a standard question directly. Standard question direct. Inclined and pulley ಎರಡು combine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿ. Inclined and pulley ಎರಡು combine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು question ಕೊಡೋಣ. Direct ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So I have an inclination with an angle 30 degree. Inclination with an angle 30 degree. And inclination by question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
No, sir.
Imbalance ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಂತ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು. I have a box. So I have a pulley here and I have one more box here. Spring balance ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ mg sin theta ಬರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ mg sin theta ನಿಮಗೆ. So this is connected like this. This is connected like this. The mass of this is m and mass of this is also m. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ mass m ಇದೆ. So they are asking us to find A, find acceleration and the tension. Find acceleration and tension. Find acceleration and tension. Both the masses are same. Where it will move?
The mass value.
Both the masses are same. Where it will move? Idu move
Sir,
agutta, idu move agutta. Simple thing. Simple thing. Wait, apply ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. This is equals to m into g. Correct? Illi, which is force which is responsible for momentum of this. This is equal to mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. Theta is equal to 30. Therefore, this will be equals to mg by 2 na.
Sir, A equal to G by 4.
Mg by 2 na. In this direction, mg by 2. In this direction, mg. Where it is moving now? Whether it is moving in this direction or in this direction.
Downward.
Along mg na.
Downward direction.
So, along mg that it is moving. It is moving along mg now. Remember very seriously, inclined plane and pulling alley, it does not depend on the mass, it depends on the force which is acting. It does not depend on the mass. Masses are same. Even though the masses are same, the body will start to move. Even though the masses are same, the body will start to move. Where it depends? It depends on the force which is acting on a body. It depends on the force which is acting on a body. So now you can find out the value of acceleration by taking a boundary of this. Find out an acceleration by taking a boundary of this. Which is the force responsible for momentum of a body? Mg na. Which is the force opposing the body? Mg by 2.
Mg by 2.
So,
Mg by 2.
then what is the mass of the body? 2 times of m
2 times of m.
into e. Into e. So illenagutte nodi 2mg minus 1mg. 2mg minus 1mg divided by 2 is equals to 2 times of m into a. So illi 4 times of m, sorry, 1 times of mg divided by 2 is equals to 2 times of ma. This m and this m get cancelled, therefore a is equals to g by 4. A is equals to g by 4. Right? Tension of find out what I'll put a tension in this direction. I'll put a tension in this direction. You can take any one of this. Without a tension, brother. To find tension, mg is force responsible for momentum minus t is opposing is equals to m into a. A value will be given m into g minus t minus t kade tagobana m into a is g by 4 is equals to t. 4 mg minus mg divided by 4 is equals to t. Therefore, t is equals to 3 mg by 4 Newton. 3 mg by 4 Newton. Sir, very, very important. Seriously speaking, and serious again, telling, ಹುಡುಗರು ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. We are doing very easily. What is the secret behind this? What you have to remember to solve this kind of questions? Very simple. Concept serious. So force which is responsible in this direction is always mg sin theta. Now normal consider a marta illale. We are not considering a normal here. Force which is responsible for momentum of a body is mg sin theta. Force which is responsible for momentum is called mg. Mg is greater than mg by 2. Therefore, the body will move in this direction. The entire system moves like this with an acceleration g by 4. And the tension in the string is 3 by 4 into g, mg. Right? Shall we move to next question? Bada? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. No, and try ಮಾಡಿ. ನನ್ನ question ಬರ್ತು wait ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Analysis ಮಾಡಿ try ಮಾಡಿ. And write the question and I'll wait for an answer. No, and check ಮಾಡಿ. Have an inclination on both sides now. Inclination on both sides now. Next kind of question. Inclination both sides. Box and Marquinhos box. I have two boxes now. What is an angle of inclination? One cut 37, in cut 53. Here it is 53 degree. Here it is 37 degree. The masses are m and m respectively. The masses are m and m. Illu m. Find acceleration and tension. Find A and T. Try on. Find A and T. Find A and T. ನೋಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Listen now. Which is force responsible for in this direction?
G by 10.
So ಏನಪ್ಪ A is equal to
G by 10.
100% right. A is equal to G by 10, 100% right. The force which is responsible for in this direction is mg sin theta na. Perpendicular idea parallel to inclined plane idea. Parallel to inclined plane mg sin theta. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes madam.
Sir, how will we be knowing that where we will write sin theta and cos theta?
Need to take attention about cos theta in this, madam. Need to take cos theta in this. Remember, parallel to inclination, mg sin theta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, perpendicular to inclination, mg cos theta. This is inclination. This is parallel to inclination, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we have to write mg sin theta.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Parallel to inclination, mg sin theta. This is also parallel to inclination, mg sin theta. This is parallel to inclination, right? This is inclination and this is parallel to inclination, mg sin theta. Here also parallel to inclination, mg sin theta. What is theta here? 37 degree. What is theta here? 53 degree. So find the value for sin theta, sin 35 and sin 37 and sin 53. I mean diagram ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ.
4 by 5, sir.
Diagram ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. If it is 37, this is 90. Correct. 37 the opposite 3, 4, 5. Correct. Sin 37 degrees is equals to what happens? Sin 37 degrees is equals to 4 by 5 na? Correct, sir. Sin 37 is equals to 3 by 5. Sorry, 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Sin 37 degrees is equal to 3 by 5. So I write the same diagram in other way. 57 degree per baritin. This is 57 degree. If it is 57 degree, this will become 4 and this will become 3 and this will become 5. So therefore sin 57 degree is equals to 4 by 5 na? 4 by 5. So force which is responsible for here, kill forces ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. mg into sin 53 degrees. Sin 53 degrees. 53 degrees. Sin 53 degrees. 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
4 by 5. So here, sin 37 degrees, mg into 3 by 5, which is more here. Which is more? 4 by 5 mg greater area, 3 by 5 mg greater area. Obviously, 4 by 5 mg is greater than 3 by 5 mg. Correct, sir? This is greater than this. Then the body will start to move in this direction with an acceleration A. With an acceleration A, it is moving in this direction. Any doubt related to this? Tension calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ tension 7 mg by 10.
7 mg by 10.
Exactly right. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
No, right. Then find an acceleration with the help of the diagram. Find the acceleration with the help of the diagram. Force which is responsible for momentum of a body is mg by 4 by 5 mg. Opposing force is 3 by 5 times of mg is equals to m 2m into a. 2m into a. 5 is an LCM, correct? 5 is an LCM. 4 mg minus 3 mg is equals to 2 times of m into a. So ಇದೆರಡು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 1 mg divided by 5 is equals to 2 times of m into a. M get cancelled. Therefore, a is equals to g by 10. A is equals to g by 10. To find out the tension, take any one of this. Tension T is equals to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಣ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. T is force which is responsible for momentum. T is which is responsible for momentum. Opposing is 3/5 times of mg. 3/5 times of mg. Careful ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. M into A is G/10. Sir, careful ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ sir. If you take this to find a T is moving in this direction. The force which is responsible for momentum of this is T. Opposite force is 3/5 times of mg. So we have to find the value of our T. T is equals to mg/10 plus 3/5 times of mg. T is equals to 10 is an LCM. Numerator mg plus 6 times of mg. So T is equals to 7 times of mg/10. Any doubt with this question? Sir and dear madam, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಏನು? What is the technique we need here? First, identify in which direction the body is moving. It depends on force which is acting on the body. It depends on force which is acting on a body. Force, if the force is more, it will move towards that direction. Here the force is more, hence the body is moving in this direction. Right?
Sir, we can take mg 4/5 now, sir. Why we should take mg 3/5, sir?
mg.
We can take mg 4/5 for finding tension, no, sir.
You can take this also. You can take this also. Tension of under product, you can take this also. 4/5 mg in this direction, T in opposite direction is equals to m into A. You can take. Find out what you the same answer. While doing, you have to take the conventions properly. Along the direction and the opposing force, you have to identify which is the force responsible for momentum of a body first, and you have to identify which is the force is opposing that. Correct? Mr. Fahar, if you take here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 4/5 mg minus T is equals to m into A.
Yes, sir.
ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು JEE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಉಡಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ? JEE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. 2 steps ಅಲ್ಲಿ JEE ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I'll write the question. Hingira block pulley is here. Block number 1 connected with block number 2, connected with block number 3, connected with block number 4, connected with block number 5. Similarly, nth block. This is nth block. Each having mass m, and this is also nth block. And one more block is connected here along the pulley. M. This is M. Observe my. This is a question. They ask you to find out T and the find out for a calendar. This is up to n. Find out the tension at nth block. Find out the tension at nth block. Find out the tension at nth block. This is a question. Observe carefully how to solve this question. Right? Find the tension at n. Nth tension find out what I can tell. Weight acting in this body is m into g. Sir. Weight acting on this body is m into g. And there is no force in this direction. There is no force in this direction. Very good. Then the body will start to move in this direction. A. The body will start to move in this direction. A. Is it right? Is it right? Observe maga. What is the force which is responsible for momentum of a body is Ma minus opposing force is equal to 0 is equals to
mg.
out of this is equals to m plus n times of n m into a n times of n into a. Correct? N into n. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. If I have 10 into m. If I have 20 into m. If I have 30 into m. Yes, don't take things. Mg is equals to m plus nm into a. Therefore, a is equals to mg divided by m plus n into m.
G by n plus 1.
This is a. Tension here is on block consider body box. Tension. Force which is responsible for momentum of nth is Tn. Force which is responsible for the momentum of the nth block is Tn minus
Tn.
the force is 0 is equals to m into a. Correct, Kanda? Correct, Kanda? Put the value of a here. You'll get an answer. Tn is equals to m into mg divided by m plus n into m. GW equals answer. Two-stepper horizon. T is equals to mg divided by n1 plus n plus 1. No, check it out, Tanisha.
So new. Sir, m and m will cancel, no, sir, in A only. Sir, if we take common.
If you take common, yes. If you take common, m and m will cancel. Right, fine. I think this was an option. This option is. Okay, fine. So did you get an idea now? Nth find out correct. Tn is in this direction, and the mass of the nth is m. Nm bariyangilla. Mass of a nth is m. Mass of this block is m. So you get an answer. So moral of the story: if you know the concept behind that, you can solve the problem.